You asked me, what is a sense of place? But that I couldn't tell you. Because how can you transfer a feeling into words? You can say that your place is in Vermont. That is too general. Anyone can be called a Vermonter, as long as they live in our beautiful state. But all of us are so different. We cannot be categorized. There are many stereotypes that not all of us fit into. Yes, some of us like to be outside, hiking through the woods and mooing at the cows. But that's not true for all of us. Some of us prefer to stay in, on the computer, or watching Netflix. So, a sense of place is where you feel comfortable and belong. Inside or out, writing the book or reading it, in a tie or a dress, jeans or pajamas, music or silence, iTunes or CDs. A sense of place is where I feel right, and it isn't always an actual place. Sometimes it's simply who you're with. Some people feel comfortable when they're with people. Others are more comfortable alone. Some thrive with work and things to do. Others need to relax and be calm, or they can't function. We won't always be able to have that feeling of being right where we should be. But that's what makes it so special, because without the bad, we can't appreciate the good. One must always have time to access that place and be where they should be to find their sense of place.
This is Sparta!
And MC said,
Oh yeah, this person has a sword. I'm going to stab them.
do you want to build a snowman?
Nope, that's the wrong way to go. Okay, back to your... Gertie, come.
Yeah, because this show's actually not Gertie. Star. Just Gertie staring off dramatically into the distance.
What are you recording?
I'm recording Josie.
It's a documentary of my life. Contrary to popular belief, I did not write this book.
Yes. Take 793.